You join us at a tense moment here in the World Championship final for Slide Master. Side by side zigzag slides. Over in the red corner, we've got Dingley. She's totally not going to win. And in the blue corner, me. Are we ready?
There's a lady who's just gone by.
Yeah, we just saw two hikers go by, walking, crazy, not using the slides.
And the lady said it's just too much fun, you guys can't go home.
We didn't tell her we're planning to sleep at the bottom of the slides tonight. Don't tell anyone. We're ready. Hey, no cheating.
I think I need a head start.
Head start my arse. Ready?
Go.
3, 2, 1, go! Yep. And we're off. Oh. Ouch. Whoa. There we go. And we're out. Oh, it's a draw! High five. We're going to have to do it again.